Today, we're diving into the Corsair TXM 550W CP-9020133-NA power supply, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. This powerhouse is designed to tackle even the most demanding PC builds with ease. One of its standout features is its ability to operate at full power even in scorching temperatures, thanks to its 50 degrees Celsius operating range. Plus, with its 80+ gold certification, you're not just getting power efficiency, you're getting cooler operation and lower energy bills. But what really sets the TXM 550W apart is its semi-modular design. Say goodbye to cable clutter and hello to better airflow and a cleaner-looking build. And speaking of airflow, the 120mm rifle bearing fan ensures optimal cooling without sacrificing on noise. It's quieter than ball bearing fans and boasts a longer lifespan than sleeve bearing fans, so you can enjoy peace of mind along with your powerful performance. And let's talk about reliability. With all Japanese capacitors under the hood, you're getting unparalleled durability, even under intense conditions. Whether you're gaming for hours on end or pushing your system to the limits with resource-intensive tasks, the TXM 550W has got your back. In terms of compatibility, it's designed to meet ATX 12V version 2.4 and EPS 2.92 standards, so you can rest assured it'll work seamlessly with your setup. And with its 550 watts of output wattage, it's more than capable of handling your components with ease. Overall, the Corsair TXM 550W CP-9020133-NA is more than just a power supply. It's a game changer for your PC build. With its impressive features, unbeatable reliability, and sleek design, it's the perfect choice for any gamer or PC enthusiast looking to take their build to the next level. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.